In this episode, we focus on introducing our ND-BD001 portable anti-drone jammer. This device has extensive applications in the anti-drone field, such as protecting the low-altitude areas of important places from being intruded by unauthorized drones, countering drones carrying illegal or dangerous goods, and protecting privacy from being invaded by drones with cameras. Once there is an intruding drone, this portable anti-drone jammer takes action through manual operation to jam, force and control the invading drone. With efficient dual working modes, it can effectively disable both the GPS, preventing the drone from returning to its launch point, and disable the remote control, disconnecting the drone's remote function. Here in this table, we have a complete set of ND-BD001. The primary unit, ND-BD001, is accompanied by two standard batteries that support fast replacement. Also present are one adapter with power cable and a charging base. Featuring multiple frequency coverage, including the U-band 840 to 930 MHz, L-band 1.52 to 1.62 GHz, S-band 2.40 to 2.50 GHz, and C-band 5.70 to 5.90 GHz. ND-BD001 delivers an impressive drone jamming effect within a 1 km range across all these frequencies. As its name suggests, ND-BD001 is exceptionally lightweight, compact, and easy to operate. Moreover, with no blind zones, ND-BD001 exhibits high reliability and stable performance, making it well-suited for various application scenarios. We have covered a quick overview of our ND-BD001 portable anti-drone jammer. For more detailed information, please visit our website at www.nqdefense.com or reach out to us via email at info@nqdefense.com. See you in the next videos.